Welcome to the Math and Writing Center. I'm Frank Jameson.
And I'm Alex Ryback.
We're here to let you know about our services. The Math and Writing Center is a free tutoring service available to all Humber and Guelph Humber full-time and continuing education students. We are running a fully online tutoring service to help you with your studies. All math and writing tutoring sessions are done by appointment through our online booking system. If you need help with any math or writing aspects of your courses, we are here to support you.
On the math side, we will also be offering workshops on statistics and business math.
On the writing side, we will be offering workshops on topics such as APA. We will also be running conversation circles for ESL and EAP students who want to develop speaking and listening skills.
If you are booking for the first time, you will need to register in our online booking system. To register, go to humber.mywconline.com and follow these steps. First, click on Register for an account. Fill out the form that appears, and when finished, click on Complete Registration. Now you are ready to book appointments. To book an appointment, you will go back to the login page and enter your email and password. Then select the appropriate schedule for writing or math. After you log in, you will see a grid of blue squares and white squares. A white square indicates that a tutor is available at that time. Find a white square at a time that works for you and click on that square. Follow the instructions at the top of the page and book your appointment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at mathcenter@humber.ca or writingcenter@humber.ca. Thank you and stay safe, everybody.